Okay, we've all been there, scrubbing away stubborn food residues and wondering why our dishwasher didn't quite do the job. What if you had a Whirlpool dishwasher that could truly handle the tough stuff? Whirlpool's top dishwashers come packed with features designed to make your life easier. Take Power Scour Jets, for example. They're like having a built-in cleaning assistant that blasts away baked-on gunk so you don't have to. And then there's sensor cycle technology, which automatically adjusts the wash setting based on how dirty your dishes are, taking the guesswork out of the process. So, whether you need something heavy-duty or incredibly versatile, Whirlpool dishwashers have got you covered. Just make sure to follow our links to get the best prices, and let's dive in. Number 6. Whirlpool WD-P 370 PAHW. We'll get this one rolling with the Whirlpool WD-P 370 PAHW, a top-notch portable dishwasher. It's just perfect for those who need flexibility without sacrificing performance. This model is designed to be easily moved and set up wherever needed. Imagine being able to roll it into your kitchen, hook it up to your sink, and have it ready to go in minutes. This is ideal for small apartments, RVs, or homes without built-in dishwashers. One of the key features is the high-temperature wash. This option uses heated water to give items like baby bottles and glassware an extra thorough clean. Think of it as giving your dishes a spa treatment, ensuring they come out sanitized and sparkling. This is particularly useful for families with young children or anyone who wants that extra level of cleanliness. The simple settings make operation a breeze. The front electronic controls are straightforward, so you don't need to fumble with complicated buttons. Just select your desired cycle and you're good to go. This ease of use is a huge plus for busy households where convenience is key. A recessed handle gives the dishwasher a sleek, modern look while also making it easier to move around. No protruding parts to get caught on anything, just a smooth, streamlined design that fits seamlessly into any space. Number 5. Whirlpool WD-P 540 HAMZ. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dishwasher that doesn't skimp on features, the Whirlpool WD-P 540 HAMZ is your best bet. It packs a lot of punch for its price. Let's first focus on the 3 5-inch cup sleeves. Imagine after a big family meal, you're trying to fit in all those cups and bowls. These handy shelves give you extra space for 6 more cups or small bowls. Plus, they fold down when you don't need them, so they're never in the way. The extended soak cycle is a game changer for dealing with stubborn food. Picture this: you've made a cheesy lasagna and the dish is a mess. Instead of soaking it in the sink, just pop it into the dishwasher and let the extended soak cycle do its thing. It combines soaking and washing in one go, making cleanup a breeze. For those extra grimy dishes, the heavy cycle is your best friend. Think of those times when you've cooked a big meal and the pots and pans are caked with food. This cycle gives them extra time and power to come out spotless, saving you the hassle of scrubbing. When you're in a hurry but still need some cleaning muscle, the boost cycle steps in. It uses more water, time, and heat than normal wash, but it's quicker than the heavy cycle. Perfect for those times you need clean dishes fast without compromising on cleanliness. Number 4. Whirlpool WD-T 730 HAMZ. If you want a straightforward dishwasher, the Whirlpool WD-T 730 HAMZ is the one for you. It's built to make life easier, especially if you're not into complicated tech. First up, let's talk about fan drying technology. Ever pulled out dishes from your old dishwasher only to find them still wet? This Whirlpool model uses a fan to dry everything, even those annoying plastic containers, so you can put your dishes away immediately without grabbing a towel. The adjustable second rack is another fantastic feature. Picture trying to fit in that tall water bottle or a large mixing bowl. With this dishwasher, you simply move the rack up or down to make room. It's as easy as adjusting a shelf in your fridge, and it means no more cramming or leaving things out. Then there are the folding tines. Have you ever struggled to fit a big roasting pan or had small lids flying around the dishwasher? These tines fold down to create space for bulky items or keep smaller ones in place. Imagine loading in that awkwardly shaped casserole dish without a second thought because you can just adjust the tines to fit. These features make the Whirlpool WD-T 730 HAMZ incredibly user-friendly. No need to be a tech whiz, just load it up, adjust as needed, and press start. Your dishes come out clean, dry, and ready to put away, making everyday chores a breeze. Number 3. Whirlpool WD-T 970 SAKZ. If you need a dishwasher that won't disrupt your peaceful evenings, the Whirlpool WDT 970 SAKZ is perfect. Running at just 47 decibels, it's so quiet you can have a conversation right next to it without even noticing it's on. One feature that stands out is the leak detection system. Imagine going to bed without worrying about waking up to a flooded kitchen. This system flashes a light if it detects a leak and immediately drains the water to prevent any damage. It's like having a built-in safety net for those just-in-case moments. The folding tines are another lifesaver. Ever struggled to fit a bulky roasting pan or found your small lids flying around? These tines fold down to give you more space for big items or help secure smaller ones, making loading so much easier. The sensor cycle is like having a smart assistant for your dishes. It uses sensors to figure out how dirty your dishes are and adjusts the wash setting automatically. No more guessing whether to choose the heavy cycle or normal wash. Just load everything in and let it do the thinking. And let's not forget the third rack with extra wash action. Do you often find yourself juggling bowls and mugs to make everything fit? This rack targets those smaller items with a dedicated wash, letting you use the lower racks for larger dishes without cramming. Number 2. Whirlpool WT A50 SAKZ. If you want a reliable dishwasher built like a tank, the Whirlpool WDT A50 SAKZ is where it's at for you. The build is sturdy and reliable, and the fingerprint-resistant finish keeps the model looking clean, even with everyday use. Imagine not having to wipe away smudges constantly. It stays spotless effortlessly, saving you time and hassle. The 1 to 24-hour delay start feature is a lifesaver for busy households. You can set the dishwasher to start up to 24 hours in advance. Think about loading it after dinner and scheduling it to run while you sleep. You can wake up to clean dishes. This flexibility means your dishes are always ready when you need them, without you having to time your day around it. The soil sensor is incredibly practical. It detects how dirty the dishes are and adjusts the cycle accordingly. Whether you've had a light meal or a heavy-duty feast, this feature ensures everything comes out spotless without wasting water or energy. It's like having a smart system that knows just what your dishes need. The cycle status indicator is super handy. It shows you exactly what stage the dishwasher is in: washing, draining, drying, or sanitizing. It even tells you how much time is left. No more guessing or opening the door mid-cycle. You can plan your time better knowing precisely when your dishes will be done. Number 1. Whirlpool WDT 750 SAKZ. And now meet the Whirlpool WDT 750 SAKZ, the winner for today. Okay, imagine trying to fit your awkward ladle or measuring spoons into the regular slots. Frustrating, right? The third rack is a lifesaver for these hard-to-fit utensils, freeing up space below for your plates and bowls. If you ever tried to load a tall pitcher or oversized baking sheet only to realize it won't fit, the adjustable middle rack lets you change the height to accommodate taller items easily. This feature alone can save you from hand-washing large kitchenware. Plus, the 3-piece silverware basket is flexible. You can move or separate it to make room for larger pans and casserole dishes. Picture fitting in that bulky lasagna pan with ease. The soil sensor is a big selling point. It detects how dirty your dishes are and adjusts the wash settings automatically. No need to guess if you should use the heavy cycle or normal wash. The dishwasher does it for you. For instance, after a barbecue, it'll kick into high gear to handle those greasy plates without you needing to pre-rinse. Speaking of cycles, the heavy cycle takes care of stubborn baked-on food by adding extra time to the wash. Think about cleaning up after a holiday dinner. Just load up your dirtiest pots and pans, set the cycle, and walk away. For daily messes, the normal cycle is perfect for handling leftovers from regular meals without any fuss. That would be all for this one, folks. Now tell us in the comments, are you looking for silent operation or is ease of use your top priority? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and have a nice day.